Today's tip is about finding anomalies in trader positioning using the 3D nav time grid. Start by opening 3D nav and setting the graph type to time grid. Next, choose 3 indicators to analyze. In this example, we'll use top traders positions long %, true retail accounts long %, whale versus retail delta. Select BTC as your ticker, set your time frame, and hit run. You'll now see a 3D graph where your indicators are mapped across the X, Y, and Z axes. Rotate it 360 degrees, zoom in or out, and look for bubbles that stand out from the cluster. The red bubble marks Bitcoin's current timestamp. On the 2-week time frame, you can clearly see it as an outlier. Hover over any bubble to reveal its values and timestamp. This shows exactly when Bitcoin stood out, helping you catch anomalies in trader behavior. Outliers often highlight moments when positioning shifts drastically, and those are the key signals worth watching.